Hey guys, we're gonna play pretend cookies today. Decorating cookies. We can decorate, but let's open it up.
Alrighty, the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Wooden Slice and Bake Cookie Set.
I got me here today helping.
Otherwise known as the lovely assistant. Right, when you stand up, you get out of the camera frame.
Keep pulling.
Yep.
Look at what we got.
Yep. Look at what we've got, everyone.
Okay, hold on.
Once again, when you stand up, you're
Here's the knife.
You gotta sit down.
The knife. The knife. Oh no, this again. That's a wrapper again.
So,
It's Minnie Mouse.
these attach. We're not ready. So you got your 6 cookies, right? Oh, we gotta open this up.
I just have 5 cookies.
You just have 5 cookies.
Here's some cookies in there.
Whoa. This was wrapped up. Okay, so Vi, what's this? What are these?
It's
These
the
are
spatula.
spatula.
And here's
This
the
is your
tray, and this is mayonnaise. And what is this?
Well, that's the tube that we are going to put the cookies in.
Like this?
Okay, we have to take the toppings off. Help take toppings off.
Oh, they can come out pretty easy.
Yeah, they do.
This is an official Mickey Mouse Clubhouse toy set from Melissa and Doug. And we picked it up at Target, should anyone be interested.
Now. Okay.
Alrighty, so now let's make the wooden
The
cookies.
first step, nope. We have to attach them.
You know, like the cookies we get at the store that we get in the, like the biscuits,
go.
we open the tube and it pops.
Yeah.
And then we slice them up or pull them apart. That's the idea. That's how it's going to be.
Put them together, honey. Now you put this one together with them. Good job. And then this one. And then these 2.
Wait, I put it on.
Here, yeah, put those on. Okay. Now that these are all stacked, you know what our next step is?
Put those.
No, we use this.
Because you're still in setup, you're still getting ready.
What do we have to do?
We have to put this in the roll. You want to put these in the roll? Alright. Then you remove them from the... Alright, can you...
It's also a nice storage container for the cookies.
Here. You take them out. And look at it, they all came out together, right?
Here's your dough.
Now, the next step is you take your knife
And slice them.
and then you slice them.
Ooh.
Just one at a time.
2 cookies.
Slowly. There you go, like that. Good job.
Very good.
See, it's like you're really slicing. Get your knife in there.
You have to get
there
it in
you
the
go.
middle.
Oh, gotta get an opening.
You gotta find it.
There you go.
Yay! Good job on cutting.
There's all of them.
Now the next step is we put these on here. Can you count as you're doing it?
1,
Now you would bake them.
Yes.
In the oven?
Yeah, you can put them in the oven, sure. We just won't turn it on.
Alright, let's put them in the oven.
We're supposed to use this to put them on.
What, to take them off?
Go away.
Okay, now we open up the oven. And then you put them in. Good job. And then we close it.
Okay, appropriate amount of time later, they're done. Yay! And you can get them out. Oh, careful, hot. Oh, careful.
It just touched the tray.
And then, when you decorate now. You put your
You put the
toppings
icing on, the decorations.
Can you count again?
1,
Loud.
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
6. All right.
Awesome. Now hold up your cookies so everybody can see your nicely decorated cookies.
And then,
That wasn't stuck there too good.
and then after that,
Okay, maybe don't hold them so high.
here, just hold them like that. Oops. Wait.
Cool.
And then,
Then you can use your spatula
okay,
and
honey,
take your
put it
cookies
down.
off
Here.
and give them to your friends and family members like us.
Ooh, that's a little hot.
Yep.
Set it right there. Good job.
Ooh, that's hot a little bit. It's falling
Okay, you
off.
gotta be careful, huh? You should have a little oven mitt. That'd be cute.
What's this one called?
Cute toppings. You got Daisy and Mickey and Minnie and Goofy and Donald.
What?
Pluto.
Pluto. Oh, can you get it? It's a little bit stuck. Wow, that really sticks. All right, there you
No,
go.
this one's
Big
nice.
stack stuff.
Okay. We got 2 now.
Ooh, that's a little hot.
Are we gonna have a party? Who are they for?
You need one for Sean.
One for Sean.
There we go.
Hey, awesome job. Look at you made
Can you do
cookies.
it again?
Can we do it again?
Alright, but for now, tell everybody goodbye. You'll see you next time.
Look at the
Bye,
camera.
everyone.
Look in the camera and
See you
say
next-
goodbye.
Look in the...
Everyone, I'll see you later.
So don't forget to
Bye.
subscribe and like.
Don't forget subscribe. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, I want to do it again.